Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to disable auto factory reset after 20 failed unlock attempts on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on lock screen and always on display. After click on lock screen and always on display, click on secure lock settings and enter your phone pin. Click on continue. After click on continue, you will see auto factory reset is here. If you want to disable auto factory reset, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, factory reset is disabled. After disable factory reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can disable auto factory reset after 20 failed unlock attempt on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.